There are certain storms that need no introduction, and this is one of them. The monster blizzard of 1978 was more than just a storm. It was everything you'd picture a blizzard to be, and it has become the benchmark by which all other storms of our generation are measured. The storm itself started as an extratropical low off the coast of South Carolina. As it wandered north, it combined with bitterly cold Arctic air nearby. It stalled over Block Island for over 24 hours, where it churned up very heavy snow and hurricane-force winds. Nashua wound up with 21 inches of snow from that storm, one of the high spots in the state. But that only tells half the story. The real impact was the 8-foot drifts created by strong winds. That Monday afternoon, the snow was so blinding, a normal 1-hour commute turned into 5 hours for some. These scenes from Route 128 outside Boston give you a glimpse as just how horrible the drive was. Low visibility and high drifts paralyzed roads and buried vehicles, stranding hundreds in Massachusetts. Here in New Hampshire, there was $14 million in damage, a lot of that along the coast with tides running 14 feet above normal thanks to the full moon. To this day, forecasters remember that storm as a first-ever computer model success story, even though the storm developed a few hours later than first predicted.